you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make Safari not save your history on your iPhone. Hey, and this is quite simple. You just need to know one simple thing. Alright, from here, I'm here on my Safari, and if you can see, we are here on start page. So right now, if I here go to Google and click on all cookies and I search here for Christmas and I do search, you see here Christmas Day. And right now, if I click here on the book and go to my history, you see that Safari is saving literally all my data and it can see what I was searching for. So what we're gonna do now is the next step. You click right in the bottom and go to private. And this is a private browsing application where you can browse where Safari won't save anything from what you are searching for. So right now, if we click here on the plus and search for Christmas, let's go. Now, if I click here, he is still showing us the history, but he is showing the older tabs. Because right now, if we click on accept cookies and search here for, let's see, New Year's Eve, and we click on the book again, you can see that he won't show us that what we was searching for. So this is exactly how you can make Safari not save history on iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.